Hi, I'm Pan Gongowski. I'm a young game developer from Poland. Currently, I'm developing Juice Empire mobile game, and I use Gdevelop engine for that. Let's get into the video. So, I'm coming back to the development of Juice Empire. I'm really excited because the game is getting bigger and more serious now, but let's start from the beginning. Just after publishing the first episode, I implemented saving and loading progress mechanics. That means that game will remember all juices and fruits you have, and also some other things like amount of money, purchased upgrades, and completed offers. Then I thought it's time to make the game look better, so I added grass, floor, walls, boxes, and I made some other small tweaks. I also added a storage, so you can store limited amount of fruits in your factory, and with that I made new upgrade, storage size upgrade. Soon I'm going to need a talking character, but I'm not good in drawing pixel art characters, so I asked my dear friend Mary Sun if she could draw one for me. By the time she works on the character, I will continue the development. There is still one big problem with this game. The player can access all the fruits and juices from the very beginning, and I have to limit it somehow, so I added the research system. There is how it works. You can pay, for example, $10, and then you can unlock new type of juice. If this requires any new type of fruit to be acquired, it will also be unlocked. And when it comes to this panel in general, this is factory management panel. Right now there is only the research part, but I'm planning to add the possibility of changing factory name or even a logo, but I'm going to work on these features in the next episode. For now, let's jump into the next topic. It's time for a break from the develop, so I bought myself a juice. Try to guess what type of juice it is in my language. By the way, always stay hydrated. Coming back to the development, now I'm going to add really fun feature, which is factory customizations. That means that the player will be able to change the way the factory looks. This will work in exchange of gold coins. More about earning gold coins in the next episode. I also added new type of resource, sugar. Every bottle of juice manufactured in our factory takes 1 unit of sugar, so the player needs to refill it in order to maintain the production. The thing that still isn't perfect is selling the juice. And what I mean by not perfect is the fact that there are about 10 orders right now in the game, so I need to add many more. But I see one more issue there. I've created those 10 orders and they are appearing always in the same order. I made it like that because it was easier, but now it's harder to add more orders and in general to improve the whole script, so definitely I have to rewrite this part. I want all orders to be random, and I can see really big amount of work ahead, so I'll do this in between this and the next episode. Now let's focus on improving other parts of the game. For example, did you notice the new graphics showing the player all ingredients needed to produce a juice? And how about this beautiful research particle? Well, maybe they are not that beautiful, but this still works for me. Another thing that needs enhancement is the factory's exterior. As you can see, I added some decorations like trees and fence, and all of this is of course customizable. And also take a look at this default Gdevelop's font. It doesn't look good, so I found a better one. Actually, I couldn't decide which of those would be better at first, but finally I've implemented this one, and now the game looks more professional. Also, I added some other improvements to the UI. My plan for the rest of this episode is to add more juice types to be unlocked and produced. And here you are: pineapple juice, pineapple coconut juice, banana puree, kiwi juice, and juice with apple, orange, pineapple and kiwi. I have no idea how to name it, so if you have any suggestions, feel free to write it in comment section below the video. And that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm coming back to you with another video in a few weeks, in the third part of developing Juice Empire. This time I will be trying to release it. See ya!